sneezing like crazy with the season change? Here are 3 natural ways to stop it fast. Tip 1. Quercetin. This powerful antioxidant acts like nature's antihistamine without the drowsy side effects. Tip 2. Butterbur. This plant is a game changer for sneezing, itchy eyes, and that annoying post-nasal drip. Research shows it can be just as effective as some allergy meds without the side effects. Tip 3. Stinging nettle. Sounds scary, but this herb actually blocks histamines before they trigger sneezing fits. You can take it as tea or in supplement form for quick, natural relief. Tried any of these before? Drop in the comments, like and follow Brit Finds for more natural health hacks. Thrive with nature.